Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This tutorial will show you how to discover, buy, and sell items on Facebook Marketplace. Go to your Facebook account. Tap the hamburger menu. Then tap Marketplace on mobile. Make sure to update the city you're in to get accurate listings. Tap the Categories tab and select a category based on what items you're interested in. Select Local Listings if you just want to discover listings in your area. Once you have found the item you're interested in, there are two ways to connect with the seller. You can contact the seller over Messenger to inquire more about the item, or, if you're prepared to buy, you can select the Send Offer button and select how much you are willing to pay for the item. Keep in mind that some prices listed in the headline may not be the actual price the seller wants. Some sellers will put free or a very low price to entice viewers to click on their post. Make sure to scroll down to the description for any further details or discrepancies in price. Marketplace is not a platform for exchanging payment, so make sure not to provide any personal or payment information over Messenger. To create a listing, tap the Sell tab. You will be prompted to select one of three categories for the item or service you wish to sell. Select the appropriate category and you'll be taken to a listing page. Click Add Photos to upload a photo of your item from your photo library. Facebook prefers original product pictures rather than stock or company photos. Enter the relevant information for accurate details about your item. To mark an item as free, you can enter 0 as the price. Once all the required fields have been filled out, click Publish to post your marketplace listing. Be sure not to put any false or misleading information, or Facebook can remove your listing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.